Coyote, and it's carrying food in its mouth. Got a squirrel. Or, oh, it's a rabbit. It's totally eating a rabbit right in front of me. I wish this would zoom in more. Dang it. It is... Oh, it's still alive. The rabbit's still alive. Oh, it's moving and squirming. Oh my god. I thought they killed them right away. It's like just carrying the damn thing off. And it's alive. The stupid rabbit is... I mean, not stupid, but... That rabbit probably was just in my yard hanging out and having fun and eating the grass. And the coyote, you know, grabbed it as soon as it left the yard. Which is exactly what would happen if I let one of the damn cats out. And that, sadly, is exactly what happened to our cat. Almost exactly 2 years ago. Except it was at night. She went out, and she never came back. There she is. Ow, God. There's my lovely kitty that got eaten by coyotes. I am sitting here watching a coyote eat a rabbit that it just caught right after the rabbit hopped out of our yard. And that right there, folks, is exactly why over the last couple of weeks, at sunset in the nice twilight time, our yard has gone from having anywhere from 6 to a dozen rabbits just hanging out to tonight there were 2. There were 2 rabbits in my yard. And I guess tomorrow there will be only 1 or none. Because this coyote here has been eating all the rabbits that hang out in our yard. I'm looking at it eating a rabbit. It's not showing up on the damn camera. I mean, it's just chowing down, man. Chowing, flipping down. Ew. Ugh. Dude, like, really, actually, it's like eating it. I mean, just... It's insane. I wonder if I pull this to full screen on my computer later when I download, if this will be any clearer to see the creature eating. Damn, this thing is out there every night. It's there all the time. Oh my god. And look at, my cat is watching it. My cat is sitting here watching the coyote eat a rabbit. And you still want to go outside, don't you? Huh? You still want to go outside? Look at her. She's staring at it transfixed. Dude. What, you think that's some cute thing to go play with out there, or what? Millie. What are you thinking? You're sitting there watching a coyote eat a freaking rabbit that it just murdered in front of our eyes. Our nice little lovely nature setting yard that backs up to the Simi Valley, I guess, hills, and there's nothing over these hills. You go for miles and miles of hills, and then on the other side you hit the 118 freeway and you hit Simi. That's all that's between my house and these hills. There's nothing, there's hills. We back up to total nature, which is nice and private and it's scenic and stuff, but you can't let your cats outside at all. And they are always clawing at my window, begging me to let them outside. They're like little house prisoners, but I can't let, oh God. I can't, you know, I can't let them out. With the coyote eating frickin' dude. This cute little fluffy tail. I guarantee you that that rabbit was one of the two that was just in my damn yard eating the grass. Just hanging out, doing little rabbit things. And those things move pretty damn quick, those rabbits. Coyotes are very expert hunters. I mean, those freaking rabbits are quick, man. I mean, they're quick, you know? And the coyotes are able to catch them, so I don't know how they're that quick, but they're stealthy, man. Let's see. I mean, because it caught the thing, it was squirming, it was still alive. I've been taping for 6 minutes, and it's eating. It's on the tail and the legs. I mean, it's eaten pretty much 75% of the darn thing. Let's see how long it takes for it to finish eating. It's not even going off. It's just sitting right outside my yard eating. It's not even hiding. It's just eating out in the open. I'm watching a nature thing that people don't usually see. Stupid freaking palm leaf right where I'm trying to fucking tape. This is annoying me. Trying to get it between the things. I hope this shows up better once it's onto the computer. Oh yeah, it's like done eating. It just ate the leg part. It's chewing up the legs. And then it's going to be done. Now, is it full or is it going to resume hunting some more? What's it going to do now? Oh, it's eating the leg still. Okay. Oh, damn it. Stupid freaking palm leaf right there. Arrgh. Like the leg is sticking out of its mouth. God, this is disgusting. Dude. Oh yeah, the beauty of nature. Mm-hmm. It's not big. I wonder if that is full grown. Oh, it looks like it's done. It's sniffing around. It ate the entire thing. It didn't leave anything. And now it's walking away. So I guess it's acting pretty full and just going wherever. It ate that whole rabbit in less than 8 minutes. And there are no rabbits. There's no rabbits in the yard.